Yeah, I'm going to create a. Sorry. Okay, so let's create a Maven project. Hybrid framework we need to create. So how can we create? So go to Eclipse, File, New, Project. So in the project, you select the type here Maven, and you'll get a Maven folder. Then select a Maven project. Click on Next. So hit this checkbox, create a simple project. Next. So basically we are automating the LinkedIn website. So that LinkedIn website we are automating. So that's why I'm giving a hybrid framework or LinkedIn hybrid framework, whatever it is, right? You can give LinkedIn, or I just give hybrid framework first. Hybrid framework on July 22nd, 2022. So there I'll give artifact ID. Also you can give same, otherwise you can give particular specific. LinkedIn, so hybrid framework. Artifact ID you can give specific. So LinkedIn hybrid framework. So July 22, 2022. So then click on finish. That's how to create a Maven project. It is creating, you can see here, creating project. So this one, LinkedIn hybrid framework is creating. So once it is created 100%, now you can go and expand this, the project name below. Before there is an arrow mark, expand it. You can see SRC main Java, SRC main resources, SRC test Java, SRC test resources, and so GRE system library and pom.xml. So mainly you can create all your packages under SRC test Java or SRC main Java. It's up to you. Anywhere you can create. But I'm creating here SRC test Java. First, so we will add one by one. Okay, we'll create first we created the project. Okay, so and after that we'll create the packages. All the different packages we need to create. You go here. So you go to our blog and see the diagram. So this is the diagram you can create. pom.qa.project name.base package. First create the base package in your project. So SRC test Java, I'm right clicking. So new package. com.qa.linkedin.base package. So I'll copy. This is common for everything. So I'll create this, click on finish. Then second one, pages, right? Pages. So let's create a pages, new package. So then pages. Then next one. So you can see there, everything is available there. So next one is data. If you want, you can put in the SRC test resources. It's okay. You can put data also here if you want. And then we have so listeners package next. Even config package also you can create. Config package you can create. So config package also we created. Then we can create listeners. So listners listeners package you can create. Then you can create a test cases. What is the next package? So each package is one component. Test cases. So these are all packages we created. Okay, so different packages we created. Now we need to create the form.xml. We need to add. So all the form.xml, so you can add form.xml, open the form.xml, add all the dependencies. That's the next step. So first step, creating a Maven project. Second step, create the folder structure. Third step, update the form.xml with all the dependencies and build section. So we already know build section, right? So build section we already taken. The same thing you can copy paste here because we already did that. So even dependencies also you have already taken this from properties to till end. All of them you can copy paste. So we already done. So that I'm doing as it is below the version. You can copy paste. That's it. Okay. So, but still we need to add some more, but we'll add. Okay, we'll add. So we don't need this unit. If you don't want, keep it aside, no problem. Okay. Then in this many XML files we don't need, right? So I'm going to delete all of them. Only one XML file we are going to create here, not many. So you can keep so one XML file under this XML suite file. So this is the form.xml we updated, but still many dependencies we need to add. So what are the dependencies we need to add? We have added only till the Selenium only. Selenium, WebDriver Manager, Commons IO, then TestNG we added, Hamcrest we added, right? But still we need to add few more. What are the extra you need to add is apart from this, we need to add Excel utilities, Apache POI libraries we need to add. Apache POI libraries we need to add. You can go and get from our blog. If everything is available here, directly you can copy paste that XML file. See here, everything you have here. So this entire XML file you can copy paste. See, everything is available here. You can copy paste. Selenium Java, WebDriver Manager, so TestNG, Commons IO, log4j we need. Just copy paste log4j and Apache, all these Apache POI libraries. Just as it is, you copy paste. So whatever the dependencies here, you all of them you copy paste. Everything you copy paste there. I'll tell you what are all the things we are adding extra. So these are all Apache POI you are seeing, right? Log4j for logging purpose. Log4j for logging purpose. And this Apache POI library we are using for reading the data from Excel sheet. Reading the data from Excel sheet, you can use this Apache POI libraries. So these libraries you add. Same, go to our blog and you can get all of them here. Then we have a extent reports. These are another very important. So we are using extent reports. Use this extent reports concept. So com.event stack extent reports you need to add. So save that. So this is some extra dependency for so some issues were coming that we resolved with this free marker thing. So you can add this also. Okay. So these are all the dependencies we need to create a hybrid framework. Okay. So resume. So one more package we are missing here. Util package we are missing. Utilities, all the utility classes you can put. So right click, new package. So com.clear.linkedin. Util package. You create the util package. This is so another component we need. Then, so So then third one, update the form.xml with properties build section. Already we did last classes. And then dependencies section. The dependencies section you take from our blog. As it is, you can copy paste. Okay. All the dependencies you can copy paste. You don't need to even change also. So, and then after pasting here, Control S you need to do to download all the dependency, Maven dependencies. Here it will download. So once you paste, make sure you do a Control S or save it. Then this Maven dependencies will show and all the jar files will be downloaded automatically. See, these are all the jar files. It is downloaded. Okay. So then after this, the first step is we have to create a log4j folder. So log4j folder will create. Log4j file we need to create. So under SRC test resources, I'm going to create a log4j.properties file. So let's create a second one, fourth one, create a log4j step. So new file log4j.properties. So create a log4j.properties under so SRC test resources. So in this, there is a ready-made code in our blog. You go to labels. There you can find log4j. Just click on this log4j from our blog, and then entire thing you can copy paste this entire code from here to till end. Entire code you can copy paste in this file. Then save it. That's it. That's one file you need to create. So you don't need to make any changes here also. Just copy paste. Okay. Next, after this, so you need to create a one folder here. SRC test resources. So folder below, you need to create one folder. So new folder. There is a folder option. See folder. TestNG folder you create. TestNG folder you create. So this folder inside we are going to create one XML file, testng.xml file. So this is what we are going to give in the form.xml. See SRC test resources. See SRC test resources. Then extra what you have? TestNG, the folder name. Resources after TestNG is there. So I have kept TestNG. Then testng.xml will be you are going to create. So this I have to create, I'll create later. Okay. Once the test cases are created, then I'll create this testng.xml later. So log4j properties are done. TestNG folder is done under SRC test resources. Now we need to create a one by one here. So first config component we need to develop. So create a config.properties file. So basically in this config.properties file, what will be there is your properties, application properties, like URL, which browser you want to run, what is the username, password. So these are all things you can place in the config.properties file. So right click on the config package, create a new file. So file name is config.properties. Click on finish. So in this you write app URL. So https. So linkedin.com. So I'm using LinkedIn website. Then browser home. So username I'm giving So password. So the password I'm giving this one. So these are the properties you need to set in this config.properties file. Okay, so that's another config package also done. Next, in the base package, you need to create a base class, test base class. Test base class you need to create. Just create the class. Test base class you create. So this is the one test base class we need to create. Okay. And so one more package is missing, right? Action drivers, driver utilities. You can place it here. Otherwise, you can place it anywhere. It doesn't matter. Okay. So otherwise, you can place the action drivers here. Otherwise, you can create one more package also. Like this, you can customize n number of packages you can create. Under each package, you can develop that. So now here in this test base class, so we need to write the code, and that we'll do tomorrow. Okay. So meanwhile,